Imagination is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire, you will what you imagine, and at last, you create what you will. Digital Transformation 4.0 using Artificial Intelligence. R-CADT, Research Center for Advanced Decision Technologies, a division of Hypothalamus Artificial Intelligence Inc., is dedicated to research, technological development, innovation and technology transfer in the science of highly complex mathematical modeling, as a support to the digital transformation processes that organizations must face, in the new globalized economy generated by the technological transformation that humanity is experiencing. R-CADT has designed a program of continuing education courses, supported by the intellectual property of Hypothalamus AI that accumulates more than 50 years of experience in the implementation of highly complex mathematical modeling solutions for the real world. Unlike conventional university education, the teaching provided by R-CADT is based on mathematical models used in real world, and not on ideal academic cases. Although academic teaching is the starting point, it is not the point of arrival. R-CADT courses are the way to acquire knowledge that only comes from professional experience, dedicated to highly complex mathematical models. The teaching of artificial intelligence focuses on the technologies that R-CADT considers fundamental. Artificial neural networks, advanced probabilistic models, machine learning, and mathematical programming. Students of R-CADT courses complement their university studies with the wisdom that praxis provides. This is an advantage in the accelerated scientific change we are experiencing. R-CADT is a knowledge-intensive company that capitalizes on the methodologies and technologies resulting from the design and implementation of enterprise-wide optimization systems, EWOS, for the multiple types of organizations that make up our technical economic environment. The intellectual property developed by R-CADT accumulates many man-years of experience in the implementation of solutions to real problems using state-of-the-art algorithms to solve prescriptive analytics, optimization, problems, integrated with large-scale optimization methodologies. As a complement, R-CADT also produces knowledge and predictive analytics methodologies, machine learning, artificial intelligence and advanced probabilistic models. As a result of his research, the theoretical bases and computer technologies necessary for the creation of the artificial hypothalamus, the result of the integration of artificial intelligence with mathematical programming, have been developed within the HYPOTHALAMUS. The artificial hypothalamus is a fundamental element of cognitive analytics, which consolidates knowledge in the mathematical modeling of decisions, as they are the result of the natural evolution of human-directed decision support systems to intelligent EWOS typical of Industry 4.0, autonomous, in real time, distributed in multiple agents, based on parallel mathematics. R-CADT is committed to professionals who wish to use artificial hypothalamus in their organizations, as a response to the need to capture the economic benefit provided by applied mathematics, significantly increasing the competitiveness of their companies. With this philosophy in mind, R-CADT organizes continuing education courses, non-formal, to transfer its knowledge. The orientation of the courses is eminently practical, since their creation arises from praxis solving real problems, using highly complex mathematical models. That is why the courses include access to source programs, which have been used in real cases. The courses are open to professionals and organizations who believe that mastery in mathematical model development can help to reduce the economic gap between societies, and the preservation of the environment, because of a better use of natural resources. As part of its social commitment, R-CADT offers significant discounts for young professionals from any region of the world, and special scholarship schemes, up to 100%, for students limited by their financial capacity. R-CADT believes that mathematics, and knowledge in general, should be a global good with free access. R-CADT courses are organized using artificial intelligence to produce and maintain all course support material, videos, PDF documents, computer programs, etc. This guarantees that the courses are kept up to date, considering the comments of the students and the updating of technologies and methodologies, to the extent that they are detected, and that they are considered important to enrich knowledge. As a complement, talks are held to discuss the knowledge acquired in virtual classrooms. In company courses, Considering the flexibility that artificial intelligence gives to maintain the courses, R-CADT offers training programs produced with artificial intelligence, tailor-made for industrial companies and universities, which must permanently provide training services. These courses are delivered fully digitized, so that participants can take them adjusted to their time availability, according to the demand for training that the organization must meet. This facilitates the coordination of training activities with production activities and decreases the demand for classrooms in companies. For its part, the organization can organize digital conversations to analyze the material, which could be attended by R-CADT personnel. There are countless ways to deliver in-company courses, and this is negotiated in individualized proposals with each client organization. This approach is in line with the modern trend of digitization of training services, which reduces costs and expands the coverage and quality of the knowledge imparted. The traditional decision support system is conceptualized as a set of mathematical models that exchange information with each other, working offline. The artificial brain is the evolution to enterprise-wide optimization systems, EWOS, under Industry 4.0. Under this conceptualization, an EWOS is a set of mathematical models that autonomously exchange information with each other, working online using distributed optimization and parallel mathematics. When all the models that make up a company are solved using the concepts of real-time distributed optimization, an artificial hypothalamus is obtained. This is how the human brain faces reality, using multiple models of reality, acting permanently in parallel, to make decisions. The artificial hypothalamus is the algorithm that controls the workflow of enterprise-wide optimization system models. This requires a universal language between algorithms, which is supported by the theory of duality. It includes the complementary balance constraints that ensure the system is on the optimal track. In real time, under uncertainty, the concept of an optimal point must be replaced by an optimal path, such as one that is always close to the ideal solution. Artificial brains are backed by computing power. It is traditional to associate mathematical modeling with large-scale computing, which today is linked to cloud computing, GPU-based supercomputers, the growth of quantum computers, and software called quantum AI. The current state of computing involves the integration of edge computing and cloud computing, implement highly complex mathematical models. This is R-CADT's vision in the teaching it provides. All R-CADT courses have this new vision of optimization in mind. R-CADT is the most applied academic center in the integration of the teaching of mathematical programming and artificial intelligence. The founder and chief scientist is the engineer Velázquez Bermúdez, whose experience in research and applications of complex mathematical modeling dates back to 1972. Like Herbert Simon, Hypothalamus AI believes that the computer-based mathematical modeling is the greatest invention of all times. Thank you for your attention.